One, two, one, two, three.
Tamam tamam aşkı kazandım. Tamam tamam bir numarasın. Tamam tamam öp beni sev beni senle aşka doymam.
Where are we?
Istanbul.
We're in Turkey. I'm wearing all of Nevena's.
I'm wearing all of Ava. And I look good. And Ava looks good too.
And we both look good. On the train. Oh, Nevena's having her cappuccino, obviously.
Finished.
100th cappuccino of this trip. Maybe 200.
One per day.
One per day.
Sometimes 3 per day, depending how I feel.
There's so many.
No, I know.
It changed.
This leader like this. How much if you buy Maybelline?
Nevin and I were walking down the street and we saw these license plates and one of them said Colorado. So obviously I wanted to take a picture with it. I go to take a picture with it. This guy's like, come into my shop, come. We go down into his shop and one of his workers starts like laying like tablecloths like on the floor. Like, we were looking at tablecloths and we're like, okay, sure. Like these are very beautiful. How much did he first offer us for
3,900.
So let me just do some math for you guys. For 2 is 111. Nevin and I aren't gonna pay that money. So we kept bargaining with him. Nevin was like, okay, I give you 2,000. And he's like, okay, sold. And I'm like, no, I'm not paying that much money. He was like, please, like, don't break my heart. I'm like, I'm not paying 2,000, that's too much money. Eventually we got him down to 1,800, which is like $25 each. And then he was asking me if I have Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and I was like, no, I don't use any of that stuff. Then Nevin was like, why don't you say, I'll give you my Facebook if you give me these 2 plates. The tea was on like just 2 little plates. And he was like, okay. So we got 2 plates because I gave him my Facebook.
That's not looking very Caesar salad-esque. And then we got free bread and free tea, even though these are on the menu. But if you don't order them,
They bring it to you for free.
we got a dessert and some more tea. And Nevina, why did we get dessert and tea?
Because the cat told the owner to give it to us.
And look, there's little art on it. Oh, he's falling asleep. Nevina's becoming a cat person. Oh, who's this girl wearing all these like vintage clothes and whatnot?
Sorry, let me look more like myself. Who is she?
Oh, it's Nevina.
Now, baby, you're casting your spell on me. I say, boogum, now, baby, you're casting your spell on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me.
Blue Mosque. It's beautiful. Just ignore that construction there, but look here. Wow. Hello guys, we're walking the streets of Turkey. We did a little vintage shopping
While I napped.
while Nevina napped. Now we're just walking.
That's all I want to be doing today.
What, napping or getting
Walking.
steps in? Yeah, that's what I want to be doing too.
No, but I am actually posting one. McDonald's to save money, eat better, and get fat.
No.
Spotlight is on us.
Corn.
On the cob, check in with me and do your job.
Take a bite. I did a close up on your lips.
Commercial.
Yeah.
Corn haul.
I took a few. Hello everybody. We made it to Bodrum. This is Ava, Colorado swimming. Oh, she's going in the sparkle. Hi!
Yeah, it's so warm.
And I say it's warm too. And we're in Bodrum right now.
So we both say it's warm.
Wow. Oh, tourist.
Going out for dinner in
Bodrum, Turkey. Oh,
I'm just so happy to be here.
do you feel real? Are you real?
I'm not real. I'm an illusion.
Boat tour.
Keşkelerin olmadığı bir yerde yaşamak isterdim. Yalanların aktığı bir yerde susamak isterdim. Senin olmadığın ülkelerde yaşlanmak isterdim. Zamanının olmadığı bir günde buluşmak isterdim. Bana bu yere vize verecek kişi çok çok.
You can see these nuts. That's so inappropriate. My family watches these videos. It's fine.